I also know that one person can change everything, and you just have to open up to them.
I can't take it anymore.
You got your wires crossed tonight.
Have you ever felt like no one is really listening to you? Like you are trying to explain how you feel, but the words just don't come out right? Sometimes I feel like I can't take it anymore. It drives me crazy when people don't listen. If you've ever felt frustrated, overwhelmed, or misunderstood, this video is for you. Today, you'll learn 4 powerful English expressions native speakers use every day to talk about emotions, frustrations, and communications problems. So, stay until the end because phrase number 4 is the one people use when they finally decide to talk honestly about their feelings. And don't worry, I'm still learning English, just like you. So I understand the challenges. Let's dive in. Phrase number 1. It drives me crazy. It drives me crazy. Repeat after me. It drives me crazy. It drives me crazy. This means something makes you feel extremely annoyed or sometimes extremely attracted. Let's see some examples. It drives me crazy when people are late. This noise is driving me crazy. It drives me crazy. I can't stop thinking about you.
Drives me crazy.
Drives me crazy.
Drives me crazy.
You also have similar expressions like drives me nuts, drives me insane, and drives me the wall. Phrase number 2. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. Repeat after me. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. This means you've reached your limit. You are done. You can't handle the situation anymore. Here are some examples. The noise is constant. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. My boss keeps criticizing me. I can't take it anymore. No, I can't take it anymore.
Can't take it anymore.
I can't take it anymore.
I can't take it anymore.
He just finally said, I can't take it anymore.
This is a very strong and dramatic expression people often use before making a big decision. You can also say, I've had enough. I've had enough. Repeat after me. I've had enough. I've had enough. Or I can't deal with this anymore. I can't deal with this anymore. Phrase number 3, to get your wires crossed. Repeat after me. To get your wires crossed. To get your wires crossed. To get your wires crossed. This idiom means there was a misunderstanding between people. Let's see some examples. We got our wires crossed about the meeting time. Sorry, I think we got our wires crossed.
You got your wires crossed tonight.
There were wires crossed somewhere in his soul.
No, I think we got our wires crossed.
We usually use this expression in the past tense to say things like got our wires crossed because the confusion already happened. It's polite and neutral because you are not blaming anyone. Phrase number 4, to open up to someone. To open up to someone. To open up to someone. Repeat after me. To open up to someone. To open up to someone. This means speaking honestly about feelings, often after keeping them inside for a long time. Let's see some examples. After months of struggling, I finally opened up to my best friend about my anxiety. She doesn't open up to people easily.
You know, Zach, it wouldn't kill you to open up to me a little bit.
I think it's just because he can't bring himself to open up to you.
But I also know that one person can change everything, and you just have to open up to them.
Pay attention. We say open up to someone, not with someone. To open up to someone, not with someone. This expression is almost always emotional, about feelings, fears, or personal problems. So let's put all these expressions in a small and short story. Let's go. Maria couldn't take it anymore. Work was stressful, deadlines were piling up, and everything was driving her crazy. She felt tired and misunderstood. So one evening, she decided to open up to her sister. For the first time in a long time, she spoke honestly about her stress and her fears. During the conversation, they got their wires crossed about some family's plans. But instead of arguing, they laughed, explained things clearly, and fixed the misunderstanding. By the end of this call, Maria felt calmer and lighter. She realized that sometimes you don't need solutions. You just need someone who listens. Did you catch all 4 expressions? Write one sentence using one of them in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video. It really helps other learners find this channel. Remember, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking. Just speak, speak, speak. See you next time.